Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So as you can see from the title, what I'll be doing today, and I finally got my hands on the James Charles palette. Focus, camera, focus. You need to focus right now. Oh my god, what are you doing? I'm telling you. Yes, okay. So this is the new James Charles palette. Well, it's not really new. I mean, I just got it in the mail because it's been sold out for so long, and I finally got it. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your bell because I am back. As I said in my last video, it's been a while and I am back, and I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. So make sure you come back every single Tuesday and Thursdays to see more of me. All right guys, so yeah, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so I already have my eyebrow and eyelid already primed and done. I used my MAC primer. I love this so much. It's almost done, and I need to go to MAC to get this because this is the only concealer that is good for me, that, you know, make my eyelid look good. So now I'm gonna go into the palette, and I mean, look at this. Like, oh my god, this is a dream. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with my eyes. I mean, I want to try to recreate his look, but no, I'm not even gonna try. I can't. Okay, so basically I'm gonna go ahead and find a clean brush if I can. So right now, I don't know what color I'm gonna go into. I really don't use these colors. I don't kind of like go like this and say, okay, this is the color I'm using. No, I throw it away. So right now I'm gonna go into a transition color, and I'm gonna take the shade right here, knock it off, and then I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, it's pigmented, damn. And just start right here onto my eyelid and a little bit above. Yeah, this is really nice. This is a really nice transition color. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep on blending. Okay, so this is looking really good. I love this color. This color looks so nice on me. I love this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just keep on blending out the harsh line on top. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into another shade, and I'm gonna take this shade right here because I heard a lot about it that is really red. So I'm gonna go into a smaller brush, and first I'm gonna pat it in. You have a little bit of fallout, but it's like not a whole lot. It's fine. I don't really care about fallout. And I'm gonna tap my brush off, and I'm gonna focus it right into the eye socket, like right into the crease. And I'm gonna go ahead and just build it up. So first I'm gonna pat it in like that. You know, just to pat it in. And then I'm gonna blend it out. I mean, I thought it would be a lot more redder. You know, I'm going in, tap it a little bit off, and then just blend it in a little bit. I guess it doesn't really show because of my skin complexion. It shows a lot more on, lighter skin, which is normal. I mean, come on, it's normal. Not mad at that, but I thought it would be more redder because I don't really have a red, like true red color into my collection. So, I wish this was a little bit more redder on all skin tone, not only, lighter skin tone. I wish it could look the same way how it looked on a lighter skin tone. So yeah, it's okay. As you can see, I'm building it up, guys. I'm not kidding. All right, I'm gonna go back into the first shade, and I'm gonna blend the top part. Okay, guys, so next I'm going to go into this shade right here. I think this is the one that he used for his highlight sometime. So I'm going to go ahead and use that for a highlight too. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on a flat top brush. And I'm going to spray my brush with some spray. And I just want it to be like more like really bright in your face. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm only going to put it onto the eyelid. Oh, it's pigmented. God damn it. Oh, wow. I used a lot. Yikes. Oh, my God. I used too much. Let me tone it down. I didn't know it was going to be so pigmented. All right. Let me find a brush. Where are you? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and tone it down. God, it is pigmented. Woo. Okay. Let me fix that. That don't look good right now. It doesn't look good. I wasn't expecting that at all. But I'm going to go ahead and just fix it up a little bit more. I'm going to go into another shade. And I'm going to take a really like dark brown shade like right here. And I'm going to put it right onto the outer corner. Like right here. Okay guys, so now that I have the lid looking all right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here and I'm gonna put a little bit onto my brow bone just to get that, you know, that little highlight. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go into my NYX liner and I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna stop with the eyes right now and I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and I'm gonna go into my Kat Von D Lock-It. I'm in the shade Deep 78 Neutral. Pour some to my hand like that. I love this foundation because it's so thick and it's so full coverage. Like, oh my god, this is so full coverage. And I'm using my beauty blender. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, look how pretty it is. This is so full coverage. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go into my Tarte. This one is the Deep, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right underneath. I'm also going to go into the other Tarte, and this one is in Tan Sand, and this one is a little bit lighter, and I always go underneath my eyes because I just want a little bit more bright under my eyes, so I go in with a lighter shade. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my same beauty blender and blend it out. So before I go underneath my eyes, I like to go ahead and I'm going to use the Fenty, and I'm going to use this Espresso to contour, and I like to leave a little bit underneath my eyes just so that it could dry up more, so that, you know, the brightness could show. So I'm just going to go ahead and just contour. And I'm going to go ahead and blend out the contour. Okay guys, so now that I blend out underneath my eyes, as you can see how bright it is, I like this. So I'm gonna go into my Patrick Starr, his first collection powder with MAC, And I'm gonna make sure that this is not creasing up on me, because I do have a whole bunch of crease underneath my eyes. Like everybody have it, but I think I have a lot. So I'm gonna make sure that it's not creasing up before I put on the powder. And I'm gonna use another beauty blender. I think this one is the Real Technique. I bought it on where did I bought it? Ulta. I bought it at Ulta, and it's so huge when you wet it up. It is so huge. Okay, so next I like to do is, as soon as I put on the powder, I don't keep it on because I do have dry skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Finish Powder. This one is in NW45. And wherever I didn't put the concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and brush it off. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my NYX, and this one is in Espresso, and this is what I use to contour. As you can see how deep it is, it's really good. And I use this just to contour. So wherever I did that cream contour, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And I like to use this alone because I'm not a cream contour kind of person. So sometimes you will see me use this alone by itself, but this is really good. I love this. Next, I'm gonna go back into the powder, and I'm gonna take it just to reverse contour, so that, you know, underneath my eye, underneath my cheeks look very snatched. And I'm gonna take a little brush, and I'm gonna put it onto the powder, and I'm gonna do my nose right down the bridge. Just like that. And I don't keep it on too long at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back into the powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and brush it off. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. I'm using the Mario Badescus. This one is in, what is it, aloe vera. Yeah. Oh, this smells so good. I haven't used this in a long time. I forgot how it smells. So I'm gonna let that dry. So the same colors that I use on top, I'm gonna go ahead and use at the bottom. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush, and I'm gonna take that same color that I used for my eyelid. I'm gonna go ahead and take it, and I'm gonna put it right here. This looks so good right underneath my eyes. All right, so I'm gonna go back in, and I'm gonna go use my mascara. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Blush Trio Cocktail Party, and this is the only blush I use, as you guys already know. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of blush, not a lot. And I like to put blush on my nose. I don't know why, but like right underneath, I like to do that. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go into the Fenty, and I'm gonna go ahead and take both. This is the Girl Next Door and Cheek Freak. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, this is giving me life right now. Oh, I can never stop using Fenty. Like me, never. This is so pretty. And I'm gonna put some right into the center. Okay guys, so the last thing I'm gonna go into is the ColourPop. This one is Pillow Talk. And this is so pretty. I love this color. It's like a nude. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face again. Okay guys, so this is the final of the makeup look. It's very simple and it's easy. I played it safe. I did play it safe with my eyes. And I know that this, oh my God, I almost dropped it. Oh my God. Okay, so what I was saying is that I did play it safe with my eyes. It's very neutral and simple, and anyone could do this. And I know that the James Charles palette have a lot of colors into it. You know, it's a lot of bright colors. So yes, I did play it safe, but I will be trying more colors in this palette here, which is more, you know, the summertime is coming up. So I will be trying, you know, yellow, green, orange, all of that color that is in there, you know, bright, nice colors, and yeah, pink, all of that stuff. So yes, I will be trying more colors into this palette, but I don't know, I'm not a person who like bright colors in my eyes. I feel like with my skin tone it really doesn't look good, but I'm gonna try it because I see a lot of dark colors, you know, girls wearing it and they look so damn pretty. I'm like, so yes, I will be trying more of this. It's not over yet. Hey, listen, it's pretty, right? It's really pretty. It's really glowy, and this is so nice. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to tune in every single Tuesday and Thursday, and make sure you click that bell and that subscribe button. And yeah, you will see more of me. Bye, guys. I love you. Mwah.